everyone, Amanda here. So I'm just here to share some freebies. So I shared a video on making these beautiful cabinet cards yesterday. It will be a suggested video at the end of this one. If you look for it, it'll come up round about here somewhere. Okay, so to make these, so some people did say, well, what are cabinet cards? Well, in Victorian times they used to have the photos taken, and they'd be stored in these decorative cards when they arrived, which had the maker's name on the back, and they would literally store them in their cabinets, so on their maybe you might call it a dresser, and they were very much a status symbol, because in Victorian times photographs were expensive. Only certain people could afford them. That's why you will mostly see, you know, middle or upper class people in them rather than working class people, because they were expensive, and so they were very much like a bit of a status symbol, like putting your best china on display to show how wealthy you were. But yeah, we can use these obviously in our journal making. So I thought I'd do some free digital prints. So I shared these yesterday, and then the day before that I shared my version of a vintage slide. So if you head on over to my Facebook group, which is Create with Scrimpingmommy, there is a link in the description box below, amongst all the other links that are always there underneath every video. In the files there is a PDF sharing this one. So there's some that would suit this size for cabinet cards, and then there's a couple of smaller ones that you could use to make these with, so that you can make these items completely free. Okay, I am dipping my toes in the water of doing some digital work, so I'm starting to collect things together. Historical things are easy for me because I've got a history degree, so I've studied history, so I'm used to finding my way around archives and doing research, so finding old things shouldn't be a problem. So there you go, thought I'd give you some freebies. So come on over. You do need to be a member of Create with Scrimpingmommy to be able to access them. They are a PDF, they are downloadable, you know, they are free, they're public domain, but I know I've found them and I've resized them and put them all on one sheet for you so that it's easy, and specifically in the sizes that are nice for the cabinet cards and for the little vintage slide. You just need to chop them up. Alright, so there you go. I just thought I'd share that with you and try and encourage some new ladies and gents to come and join our Facebook group, where we share all sorts of things crafty, and it's a very, very nice and friendly little community. We're still quite small, but we are growing daily, so come on over and join us and grab yourself some freebies, and I will be adding to those files as often as possible. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye for now.